as long as it's appropriate. Hi. Someone's going to ask me a question, but they haven't come in yet, so I'm going to go. I'm sorry if I miss any questions. Pretty please do put them back up again at a time when you know that I'm going to be chatting with you guys and girls. Thank you. And also follow me. If you've come in so far, press that follow. Now, Eddie, what season is it there? It's spring. Good morning. Come on in. If you could follow me, that would be great. Thank you. Just going to brush down some wisteria over here. Okay. That's my dog. That's Emma. Stones, make sure we don't get them in the older lawnmower as well. Let's see. Stones in the wood. I'm just going to put the lawnmower on in a minute, just so you know. Chloe. I'm going to put the lawnmower on in a minute, just so that you know, okay? Yeah. No, I'm good as gold, yeah. Got my hot flushes. I'm sorted. I get kept naturally warm by my hormones. I'm going to put you over here because I'm going to mow the lawn now. And if I place you here, and hopefully you get to see all the hard work that I put in. You see? We're going to mow. Look, it doesn't take me long at all. When I previously lived in my old house, my lawn would take 3 hours to mow because it was just huge. Since I've moved here only 6 months ago, I can now mow the lawn, and I mean, I can be done in 10 minutes, as you'll see. That's great. So yeah, I'll be done in literally 10 minutes. I can't wait. You get to watch crazy lady Kate Barlow on a Sunday in her nightie in England, because we're just fucking nuts over in England, no care. Just mowing the lawn, hanging out the washing, doing loads of stuff. If you've gone this far, pretty please do head over to my TikTok club, golden yellow star main profile. TikTok is the way forward. Press that golden yellow star, £3 a month, and you get access to me. I would love to see you there. Let's mow this lawn. We get rid of these green things because they hold up the washing line, but they'll get in the way otherwise. Put these up here out the way. Don't fall back on me. You go over there. Don't want them to fall on me. Worm to get hurt, so we're just going to pop that worm over there. Show everyone what you're wearing. Come and stand here. No. This is Owlet. You look great.
Mommy.
This... that doesn't... the things have come off this bit here. But what you can do is get some sellotape from here and strap it around there, okay?
I don't want